Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Universal Maths. Today I'm gonna show next 10 problems of the book Ahmad Demir. So before showing the solution of this problem, I want to show the most needed 9 problems, and we will use the term that was given in the previous lessons. So before watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. So for now, this is our first problem. But if you don't want, just accelerate and just see the problem, not the last, the previous one. You can watch it. So before solving that problem, I want to show that this problem, this is also tricky. We have to know that many terms for this. First of all, we know that that is given that AB is equal to AC. So AB here is equal to AC. So these angles will be equal here. And here we will use the secret term that was given, that I gave in the previous lesson. X plus alpha will be the measure of this angle. And as the sides are equal, this angle will be also equal to this angle. So the next step is to know that alpha plus 70, again this term, alpha plus 70 degrees will give us, will be equal to x plus alpha plus x. Here you can see that alpha and alpha will be cancelled and we'll get 2x that will be 70 degrees. So here degrees, and here now that x will be 35 degrees. So our problem solved, and we practiced the term that was given. X plus alpha will be the term, the exterior angle of the other interior angle. So let's move on. The second problem is a bit similar to those above. So this angle will be alpha. Before saying that this angle is alpha, we'll know that AB is equal to AC. AB is here, is equal to AC. If this angle will be alpha, this angle will be alpha plus x. Why is it so? Because this angle will be equal, because these sides are equal. So this angle will be alpha. And again, using the secret term, we can say that alpha plus 40 degrees, that you can see, will be equal to x plus alpha plus x. X plus alpha plus x. Oops, here x. Oops, what is going on here? Here, x. Yeah. And here alpha and alpha will be cancelled, and we'll get 2x will be equal to 40 degrees, which means that x is equal to 20 degrees. And this is right answer. This is answer. It's called cevap in Turkish. Okay. Next problem. Here we can write down that as alpha here. This angle will be also alpha, and we know that these angles are also equal. Beta beta, we can say. And then we know that this alpha is equal to x plus beta, you can see, because this is exterior angle. So x plus beta here, and also we know that beta plus 80 degrees will give us alpha plus x. So alpha plus x is equal to beta plus 80 degrees. So we can just say that we will just subtract two equations, and we'll get that in the left side we'll get the first one minus the second one. Alpha minus x will be equal to x plus beta, and the second part in the right side is this minus beta minus 80 degrees. So here we can get that beta and beta will be cancelled, alpha also will be cancelled, and we'll get 2x. If we will add up here x plus 80 degrees to the both sides, we'll get 2x will be equal to 80 degrees, and here x is 40 degrees, and I think it's the right answer. Yeah, this is right. So next one. So we have to find out x again, and this angle is alpha again. This angle is alpha, and you can see that this angle is 70 degrees. It means that the sum of two alphas have to be 180 minus 70. That means 110. And 2 alpha is 110. From here we know that alpha is 55 degrees. This angle will be 55 degrees. Here. And the secret solution, and this secret term again is that this angle will be x plus 45 degrees, which means that these sides are equal, and we know that this angle will be also x plus 45 degrees. So we don't need to write down 2 times, and we can add up the adjacent angles, and we'll get to x plus 45 plus 55 is 100 degrees, and it will equal to 180 degrees because the sum of the adjacent angles are 180 degrees. And here we know that 2x have to be 80 degrees. And x here, as you can see in the answer, it is 40 degrees. So it's right. So the next problem, the tricky one. I thought and thought, but after thinking widely, I found it. Okay, now I will explain how to solve this problem. If this angle is alpha, this angle will be also alpha, it is visible. If this angle will be beta, this will be also beta, and this will be 2 beta. Here you can see, and this angle will also be 2 beta. Here, we can just say that this angle will be 2 beta. As the sides are equal, this will be also equal. And here, the most interesting part is that the angle ABD will be equal to the angle AED. Why is it so? Pay attention for the quadrangle ABDE. It is the quadrangle like this. I can draw here. This is the quadrangle like ABDE. I'll just do here A, B, D, E here. As you can see that these sides are equal and these sides are also equal. In this situation, we know that this angle will be equal, but how? Why is it so? I will prove it. Here we have to draw a line, additional, so that these angles will be alpha and alpha, and these angles will be beta and beta. as we said that these sides are equal, the angles will be also equal. So we can see now it's visible that two angles are equal, alpha plus beta. So it is right. So from here we know that alpha has to be equal to 2 beta. It seems easy, but we have to add up 3 additional equations to find out x, because we don't know alpha, we don't know beta, so we have to find out 3 additional 2 equations. How to find out? The first one is from the triangle AED, but before saying this, I had to mention that these adjacent angles, sum will be 180 degrees, so alpha plus 2 beta plus beta have to be 180 degrees. And at the end, we can sum up with the last equation, x plus here 2 beta plus 2 beta, 2 beta plus 2 beta have to give us 180 degrees. And it is not so hard to solve these simultaneous equations. And if we plug into this alpha to beta, we can get 5 beta is equal to 180 degrees. From here, we know that beta has to be 36 degrees. Oh, this is not answer yet. Okay, we know that here x plus 4 beta is 180 degrees. See, we know that beta, and we can plug here beta. So x plus 4 times 36 will be equal to 180 degrees. Here x plus 4 times 36 is equal to 144, I guess. 180 degrees to equal. And x here will be 36 degrees. And this is answer. I guess, yeah, it's true. So we did it. Okay. The next problem here. So it's given that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. So these angles are equal. So if we say that this sum of these two equal angles have to be 100 degrees, because 180 minus 80 degrees will give us 100 degrees. So these angles will be each 50 degrees. The sum will give us 100 degrees. Because they are equal, we know that they have to be equal, not 60 and 40. So the next is this one. EC is equal to CD. EC here, put it here alpha, and CD here alpha, and they are equal. They are saying again, the secret term is that alpha plus alpha have to give us 50 degrees, and they have to be equal, so alpha is here 25 degrees. And here we know that this angle will be also alpha because they are vertical. So 25 degrees, and from the sum of the interior angles of the triangle, we can write down that x plus 105 degrees have to be 180 degrees. Here we know that x is equal to 75 degrees. If you know the better solution, the standard solutions, let me know in the comments below. So, the next problem. Okay, here, again, these angles alpha, alpha. Here it will be 20 degrees because they are equal. And again, the secret term, 40 degrees, that will save time here. 40 degrees to B. And here I have to find out X. And this angle will be 100 degrees because the sum is giving us 80 degrees. So 80 plus 100 will be 180. So we can add up here 120. Here it is 120. So alpha plus 120 have to be 180 degrees. Here alpha will equal to 60 degrees. And we know that x plus alpha have to be equal to 120 degrees. The exterior angle, as the secret term is, x have to be here 60 degrees because this, okay, we can plug it. X plus 60 degrees have to be 120 degrees. Here x will be 60 degrees. Which is the right answer. The next problem, we already proved the angles that are equal, so this will be 65 degrees. We proved already, so no need. If you missed, you can replay and see the proof. And it is visible that x plus 65 have to give us 180 degrees. And x here will be 115 degrees, which is our right answer. And coming up to one of the most interesting problems and tricky problems of our lesson is this problem. Here we know that ABD is their equilateral triangle. Here know that its angle is 45 degrees. C. So 45 degrees, it will also be 45 degrees. And we know that if the most tricky situation is that AB side have to be equal to BD side. See, the equilateral triangle have equal sides. So we know that these sides will be also equal to the AB. To know that is really important because it's just affecting the triangle BDC. See, it is an isosceles triangle. So this angle will be also x plus 45 degrees. And we know that this angle will be 30 degrees. Why is it so? Because this angle is 60 degrees and ABC side is 90 degrees. And 90 minus 60 degrees will give us 30 degrees. And we can write down that 2 times x plus 45 degrees plus 30 degrees have to give us 180 degrees, which is equal to 2x plus 90 degrees, and here plus 30 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. And 2x will give us here 120 and 60 degrees. Here x will equal to 30 degrees. It can be, you can find out that easiest solution, but it is the standard solution, I guess. So let's move on. The last but not least problem is this one. It is also a tricky problem. DAC, we have to find out where is DAC. DAC, where is it? Here. So we have to find out this angle. So it is x. We can write down. Here we can say that this has to be x. So, and we know that these angles are equal, so that they alpha and beta. We can say here we know that alpha will be equal to, again, the term that we used above. Alpha will be equal to beta plus 25 degrees. And we know also that x plus beta have to be equal to alpha. So alpha is equal to beta plus x here. Again, the term, using our term, we don't need anything that is rubbish here. So beta plus x, so they are equal, alpha and alpha. We can plug into this alpha or vice versa. Beta plus 25 degrees. So here beta and beta will cancel and we'll get x is 25 degrees. And this was the last problem. Thank you for your attention. If you like the solutions and this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And see you in the next videos.